This bag is tactical, weatherproof,
कौन है ये लोग?
and this 16 liter can carry your entire world.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, it's absolutely none of those, but it is minimal, spacious for its size, and honestly, a bit pricey too. This is the Daily Objects Field Backpack 16 liter. And if you've been eyeing this canvas backpack, the universe wanted you here because in this video, I'm sharing my real world experience using it as my daily driver for over 2 weeks. We're going to deep dive into its actual capacity, comfort, and overall value to ultimately answer should you actually buy one or should you look elsewhere. You're watching CarryDistrict, your one stop destination for all things carry. I'm Vineet. Let's get started. Starting with the front of Daily Objects Field Backpack, the most prominent feature is the dual quick access pockets. They feature a unique asymmetrical opening fitted with high grip tan genuine leather pullers. The zippers are reverse styled, while unbranded they operate smoothly. Branding here is kept minimal with a small leather patch on the right. Moving to the middle, the main compartment uses robust metal zippers. These are nickel plated to protect against rust and corrosion. Daily Object knows how to do metal zippers. These are very smooth to operate. Using non-metal zippers on the front pocket was a great design choice. It adds a nice visual contrast without overloading the bag with hardware. And on the sides you get standard water bottle pockets. On the back, the haul loop is sturdy and easy to grab. The shoulder straps are 2.5 inches wide with dense and firm padding. Because they are straight strap design, they offer universal fit for most body types. For attachment points, the right strap has a small loop for sunglasses or a carabiner, while the left features subtle branding. The strap connectors here are genuine leather, reinforced with a fabric backing on the inside for extra strength. These anchor to the bag via nickel-plated metal adjusters using a heavy-duty Box X stitch for maximum durability. You also get integrated dangle stoppers to keep things tidy, which is always a plus in my books. You also get a built-in luggage pass-through for travel. However, note that there is absolutely no mesh padding on the back panel or straps, so expect some back sweat during long commutes. All of this wraps around a 16-liter capacity. Overall, the Daily Objects Field Backpack looks incredibly clean and minimal. The cotton canvas feels premium to the touch, and the contrast of the polished metal hardware with tan leather accent looks fantastic, especially on this navy blue version. It's currently available in 8 colors, but I think this navy blue color looks the best. Unzipping the front pocket reveals a bright white and yellow high visibility lining. Inside you get a detachable key lash. In my opinion, this is the absolute best way to implement a key leash. You can use it independently as well or use your own keychain if it has a clip. The space here is impressive, measuring 5.5 inches wide and 8.5 inches high with a dedicated depth of 1.5 inches. I can easily fit a 300 ml Miniso bottle upright or even a thick 250 ml flask. It's also perfect for a small diary, a snack box, glasses, or a charging brick. Having 2 separate deep pockets instead of one single chamber keeps your frequent items organized, and because they have their own independent volume, they won't eat into your main compartment. The side water bottle pockets feature the same inner lining and include elastic expansion on the sides. It easily holds a standard 1 liter bottle, so anything larger will be a tight squeeze. If you use these for loose items instead of a bottle, that lining makes it incredibly easy to spot small gear. If you're used to bags with black interiors or unlined packs, or coming from a pedal backpack from Daily Objects, you will love this high visibility main cabin. You can spot your stuff at a glance. On the front wall, there is a slip pocket running half the length of the bag, perfect for smaller items like moisturizer, sunscreen, or stationery. It's even wide enough to slide a 300 ml bottle sideways. The main compartment has excellent depth and height for your standard daily office or college gear. The bottom is slightly padded as well, adding a layer of protection when setting the bag down. In the back, the dedicated laptop sleeve is padded on the front and back, though not on the sides. While officially rated for up to 16-inch laptop, it completely maxed out with my 15.6-inch device. If you have a highly compact modern 16-inch laptop, it might just fit. You also get an elastic laptop retention strap, which works well for shorter device but won't reach over taller ones. This has been my daily driver for just over 2 weeks. During this time, the divided quick access pockets made staying organized effortless. I use them to split my tech from non-tech gear. Because the openings are asymmetrical, it's incredibly walk and grab friendly. For a 16-liter bag, the main compartment is decently spacious. It handles daily work duties with ease. Here is my typical work setup. And as you can see, I still have plenty of room left over. It easily handles a heavy load of college books too. In fact, I even managed a quick overnight stay using a spare change of clothes and a basic toiletry kit. Inside, that wide slip pocket is perfect for items you don't need constantly but want to find quickly, eliminating the need for an extra pouch. A single wide pocket here gives you much more versatility than two smaller ones. Just note that if you overstuff it, it steals a bit of space from top of the main compartment. Speaking of space, the water bottle pockets bulge inward. It's much more prominent here than on the other bags, and the interior volume penalty gets amplified if you use both pockets simultaneously. In terms of layout, I really missed having dedicated pen slots or small item organization near the laptop sleeve. Also, if you plan to pack your bag to the brim, this isn't the one. It handles full loads, but it definitely looks and performs best at around 70 to 80% capacity. When it comes to carrying a full load, the strap and bag padding offer adequate weight distribution with no major shoulder stress. However, because these straight straps are so wide, they tend to brush against your inner arms. If you have a narrower frame, this might become annoying. Finally, you will definitely miss having air mesh. If you face long commutes on a bike or public transport, it's going to get hot, which is the standard trade-off with any canvas backpack. I was also extra careful about getting it wet since this canvas doesn't have a water repellent coating, making it highly prone to mold if left damp. Keep in mind it's also dirt magnet. Unless you wipe it down occasionally, it won't take long to look worn out. For a 16-liter bag, the layout is excellent. The deep front quick access pockets, the wide internal slip pocket, and the main compartment easily swallow your daily essentials without choking each other. The overall fit and finish is rock solid. With materials like cotton canvas and genuine leather accents, it feels well made and comfortably holds its own both in professional and casual setting. The lack of a protective water repellent coating means you have to baby it in the rain to avoid moisture absorption, slow drying times, and potential mold issues. At $3,300, it sits on the higher side for a canvas commuter pack. A sub 3K price tag would have made this a much more competitive, no-brainer value. So, what is the final word on the Daily Objects Field Backpack? If you love the heritage look of a cotton canvas backpack, appreciate smart space management, and are willing to live with few compromises like zero weatherproofing, maintenance, and wide straps, it's a solid daily driver with great potential. However, at its current retail price of $3,300, it feels a bit steep. In my opinion, the ideal buy price for this pack is between $2,500 to $2,800. If you can snag it during a sale in that range, it's a much easier recommendation. But if you're looking at alternative, here is how it stacks up. If your priority is weatherproofing and rugged durability, and you're willing to compromise on a high-vis lining and inside pocket, the Armoro Sabic is your best bet. It gives you that tough canvas aesthetic but provides better weather resistance to handle the elements. On the flip side, if you love the canvas look but are on a tight budget, the F-Gear Canyon 18-liter is a fantastic alternative. It gives you a similar vibe and a bit more capacity without breaking the bank. Ultimately, the field backpack is all about style and quick access convenience. Just make sure you buy it at the right price. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to CarryDistrict for more reviews on gear that move with you. I'm Vaneet, and until next time, carry smart.